So basically what we're trying to do here is just I don't know. I think the first step of this is to see if we can a social experiment to see if we can get some piece of junk, no offense, Mike, just into the art show and pass it off as artwork. So we're really delving into the realm of what is art. What is modern art? Can anything be art if we say it's art?
An interesting experiment because it's just testing how far people will go before they ask questions.
Who wants to break it?
Well, I like it, but I have seen it before.
Okay.
Mainly on a Vergeside pickup is where I had seen the...
Very 80s, the Sharp.
Very 80s, okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
It's the, I think for me, it's
Yeah.
the Sharp brand was a very 80s brand.
And does it bring back a little bit of nostalgia?
Yeah, it was a fair bit of, I think I had the same microwave and I burnt microwave popcorn in there and it turned it yellow.
So basically, look, we've had a bit of trouble with authority here. So it was down there for a good solid half hour, but it was taking too much attention away from all the other art pieces. So they said, look, you got to move him. So now we've located just off to the side here.
Art can be anything that has an intention behind it, of making someone question what it is. Anything that sort of brings up another thought afterwards, I think, would count as art.